Welcome to the University of Michigan Medical School Office of Research, Everything But the Science series, brought to you by the Grant Services and Analysis Office. These excerpts from our R01 Bootcamp workshop are intended to assist faculty new to the NIH R-Series process think through best approaches to the administrative portions of grant submissions.
The next topic on the agenda is resources and environment. And what you want to do with your resources and environment section is this is really an opportunity to show not only physical resources here at the University of Michigan, but also institutional support that you have. You definitely want to make sure that those resources are directly applicable to your proposed work. So if you are copying and pasting a facilities and resource section from another grant, from another source, make sure you are modifying that and only including things that are applicable to your application. So if you are talking about the clinical population at the University of Michigan and you are doing animal research, that is a very clear copy and paste job into your section. So make sure you're not doing that. And then also, if you have multiple performance sites, you want to describe each site in your resources and environment. So if Michigan State University is a subcontract on your grant, you want to also be describing their resources and their environment that are applicable to the grant as well. And then institutional support is important and is something other than just money. So you want to highlight all of the accessible equipment and core facilities that we have here on campus that you may be utilizing for your research. And you want to demonstrate that not only are you the person that can do this research, but that U of M is the place to do it. And here hyperlinked in this slide is an article that we wrote in 2020 about using the facilities and resources, other resources section to demonstrate institutional support and highlight the resource-rich environment here at U of M. It was kind of tailored towards pandemic support, but it's still a very useful article to highlight all of the resources here available to you. And as far as the NIH criteria, the reviewers will be looking to see will the scientific environment that you're in contribute to the probability of the success of your proposal? Do you have all of the things you need to adequately do your project? And will your project benefit from the scientific environment and the subject populations that you have? So resources and environment, particularly for early stage investigators, you can also describe the institutional investment in the success that has so far been made in you, as far as resources for classes and training, and also other institutional support that you might have, including things that might be in your department, like enrichment programs or the availability of peer groups. But financial support, such as protected time for research with salary report, you want to be cautious not to create cost sharing by quantifying financial assistance. That's one caveat. We do have a facility and resource profile template on our website that is available here if this would be useful to you for modifying for your grant proposal. We are in the process of updating some of these sections, so this will get better and better as time goes on, but we do have this available for you to use and modify for your proposal.
Thank you for watching this video. For additional tools and resources, please see our website under the Training and Resources section, or by reaching out through email at msgrants@umich.edu.